Start by melting 50 grams of butter in a pan over medium heat. Add 4 tablespoons of plain flour and keep stirring until it forms a paste. Gradually add 500 ml of milk. Keep stirring until the sauce thickens and comes to a gentle boil. Add the milk in 4 to 5 batches and stir continuously to prevent lumps. Add salt and black pepper to taste. Now remove it from the heat and add 200 grams of cheddar cheese. Then stir until the cheese is melted. Do not boil the sauce after adding the cheese, or it can turn stringy. Your cheese sauce is ready. Enjoy your cheese sauce, and don't forget to like and subscribe.